Ice cream lovers, welcome to this session of Scoop School. Nice to have you here. We're talking about ceilings. Ceilings, nothing more than ceiling. Anyway, do want to thank our episode sponsor. Look, I can't stop saying look now. Previous episode said Australians say look before they say everything. Now I can't stop saying it. I do want to thank our episode sponsor, Rich and Heather Draper, all the crew down there at the Ice Cream Club. It's the kind of club that I would want to be a member of, because what they do is they actually manufacture 3-gallon tubs, actually a whole bunch of different sizes for ice cream shops just like yours that maybe are thinking, you know what, maybe this production process might be a little bit too much for me. I don't have the room, I don't have the capability, and so you might want to buy your ice cream. Well, the Ice Cream Club is a business that sells ice cream for you. They've got an excellent website. Just click on the link down below, and if you ever happen to be talking to Heather or Rich, you tell them that I said hello, because, hey, fabulous people. Thank you for your episode sponsorship. I do want to talk in this session, as you mentioned before, about ceilings. Now look at this. Now look at this. I'm looking at the monitor so I know where to point. This is the premises that we have, our Scoop School premises. We've got our classroom, our offices, our production room in the back. And at the front of the building here, we inherited this kind of coffee shop that we are slowly converting into an ice cream shop. So we'll have the ability for you to come to a class, work in the store afterwards. It'll be great. Anyway, this ceiling over here doesn't look like this ceiling over here. One of these things is not like the other. Can you tell me which one it is? You need to have in every production area a non-porous ceiling. Most health departments, whether your health department is looking at state, county or city, will have some sort of mandate or regulation that wherever your soft serve machines are or your production machines are, that you're going to need some sort of ceiling on the top that can be cleaned and that doesn't absorb odor, doesn't absorb water or any other liquid in harbor bacteria. We're trying to make a decision here as to what we do. Do we extend this ceiling here out to the wall so it's not so juxtaposized, if that's such a word? We're looking at doing maybe some wooden slats leading up to here, just to kind of keep it all at the same level. Some decisions to make, but you'll find that if you're going into a space that does not have a cleanable or a non-porous ceiling, you may want to give that some consideration very early on, either before you sign the lease or at least go to the health department. And sometimes that health department is the building department. Sometimes they are separate, sometimes they're together. And ask the question about the ceiling in your production room. It may be out the front of the store like ours is here, or it might be in a back room. Ask what the regulations are for that production area. I know some states are very, very pedantic about production rooms. California, New York, Pennsylvania, North Carolina, all of those states, a lot of their dairy regulations is overseen by the agricultural department or the ag department. And so you can go straight to them or talk to your building department and say, hey, what's the story here? This is the ceiling I have. Is this adequate? Because you don't want to get to the point where you've got all your build out finished and lo and behold, you've got to pull out the ceiling and put in another one. That would be an absolute nightmare. We've seen it happen before. So ask the question about your ceiling. Ceilings, nothing more than ceilings. Let us know what your health department says about your ceiling, whether you have this drop ceiling here with the panels or whether you have a full ceiling that's actually kind of coated with a product that is non-porous. Always interested in your concept, so leave a comment down below. If you have a question about the build out, about production, about marketing, about the business, then you can leave that down below as well. We love having questions from viewers here. Again, thank you to Rich and Heather Draper and all the crew down there at the Ice Cream Club. A lot of links down below. There's a Facebook link, there's the Ice Cream Club link, there's the website link, there's the YouTube link, there's a whole bunch of links. Link away, like and subscribe. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.